Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me in my Hobonichi week strawberry latte mega, and today I will be using our newest kit from the shop called Pretty Mermaid. This is part of the Cute Mermaids collection. Focus, there we go. Cute Mermaids collection, and I am using the cream glossy version of this kit. I'm sorry I'm having so much trouble with focusing today. I don't know what's going on. And also I'm sorry for the glare. It's a little bit late in the day. It's already the afternoon, and that always happens. Well, no, a blue cast when I'm filming. Now it's turning a little blue right now. That's why I had to put the lights on. So if you'd like to see how my pages will look like after I put all the sticker on and everything else, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Alright guys, so let's take a look at what we have here. Let's start with our sticker kit first. So once again, this is the Pretty Mermaid from the Cute Mermaids collection. I do have another mermaid collection that I used in my last plan with me. I will link that down below. I also use it in another page in my notes pages, and I will also link that down below. Now let's take a look once again at our sticker kit. You have your date cover, your decorative strip. These are check boxes, your blank boxes. Both of these are individually cut. You also get the double box. Come on. All right. Not double box. Well, I guess you can call it a double box because this is for the bottom bar of your left side of the page, and this one is for the right side of the page. And this is double the size of this. And you get headers and you get script stickers. So let's go ahead and begin. So you stay here so you can see. I'm kind of thinking sometimes that I should make it smaller. I mean, zoom in a little bit more. But I feel that I like it when I see a lot of the table when I watch videos. I don't like it to be too zoomed in. So I have a very different perspective. So I'm sorry about that, but this is what it looks like. Now I have the date covers down, and then I'm going to take these the strip, decorative strip, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it beside the day covers. It is only Friday, and this is one of the earliest I've ever planned for the next week. So let me see what I would do later when I'm actually planning. Very interesting, because I don't really know what I'm going to do. So we'll figure that out together. Okay, so this is what we have. I decided to put down the decorative strip right beside the day cover because I really like this pattern, and it would really make me happy if I could see it completed like this all the time. And I'm going to take my bottom bar for the left side of the page. That looks good. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my checklist. So Monday I have to go to school, and then Tuesday is always workshop day, and my Tuesday is usually when I would post about Glam Planner. She has, what is that called, glitch sale on her new website tomorrow, so make sure to check that out. So Wednesdays I'm probably going to be home writing that day. So that's going to happen. And then I'm going to do Thursday. Another one of these. And then Friday is new releases. And I need a checklist. Friday is also post day. So usually when we go out to do post runs, we also do errands. So that's why I have a checklist on there. And then Saturday and Sunday will be blank boxes. I'm trying not to get my Saturday and Sunday too busy. There we go. And this is what my page looks like now. I'm not going to put any sticker on this side of the page because my planner has gotten really chunky, and I do not want to put any more pressure on the spine. I have said this multiple times on so many videos already, but I want to just give you an idea of what will happen if you put stickers in your planner, in your Hobonichi weeks. It will get really, really, really chunky. So at this point in time, I really want to make sure that I take care of my planner and plan with stickers at the same time. So I am avoiding, once again, the spine so that it doesn't put, or I don't put any more pressure on it unnecessarily. So now, well, except for the bottom bars, because bottom bars are life. It gives me so much life. Actually, I'm going to use that for the first time ever. I'm gonna let that be where it is. Ooh, ooh. Whoa, that is a giant success for me. Okay, this should be all right. Perfect. Okay. Whew. Wow, like that was really scary, because if this is the first time you are using Tomorrow River paper, which is the paper of the Hobonichi weeks, you should know that the paper is very sensitive, it's very thin. If you pull anything up, even washi, even post-it sometimes, it can, or there is a possibility that the paper will be peeled off also. So just be mindful of that. So now I'm taking my leftover checklists, ones that didn't make it on the other side, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and miss this. Okay, no, let's put it over here. Okay, that's really, really cute. So I can put like this week on here and stuff, all the possibilities. Let's see what I'll do later. Okay, and this is kind of looking really good. I kind of missed it. It should have been butting up here, but then now that I put it on wrong and looking at it, I kind of dig it. It's good. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that because, you know, I can't really do anything else besides just look at it, because I don't want to peel it. I'm going to take my header sticker. Actually, no, I don't want to put my header sticker there. Too many stickers at this pine. So I'm gonna put the header sticker over there, and then I'm going to take the other header sticker and put it over here. Maybe this can be my trackers. Who knows? Let's see. That looks good. Okay, because they are aligned. So that was my major concern. Now, before discarding all of that, let's see what we can do. Let's first take the weekend script sticker. I'm going to put it over here, over these two boxes. No, okay, let's put it over here on this decorative strip. All that is looking so good. I'm so happy. And then I'm going to take today, and then I'm going to take goals, and then I'm going to take notes, and then I'm going to take what else? The last one is to do. And that is what we have so far. So I'm going to just go ahead and take both of these and put it over here. All right, and then I'm gonna take two more, one more, two more. Now I want to put this as tracker. Maybe we can put it here. Nope, actually no, you're going back. There is no more space for stickers, said no one ever. But for now, I'm gonna hold myself back and just leave it like this. And then I'm gonna show you the leftover stickers. So this is the smaller second page, and this is the first page. So I do still have a few checklist boxes here. I haven't actually figured out how I wanted my pages to look like, where I'm utilizing all of the kits, because I don't want to stack the blank boxes as well as the checklist over here as of yet. Maybe I'll do that in the future. So now let me show you what I have to play with. I have two Sailor Shikioris. So these are the Sailor brush pens, and I have the one in pink and the one in purple, which are two of the colors here. I wish I got the one in teal, but when I went back to the shop, I could only get it as part of a set, and I wasn't willing to commit to that. And today I've decided to just use my Marvi Ushida. Last time I was using my fountain pen, and I decided this time to hold off on that for now. I'm gonna try to get into fountain pens once again, because I just find that using my felt tip markers or felt tip pens so much faster. I don't know, you guys, but I really love the look of the fountain pen. So let's go ahead and see what we will come up with, and I'm gonna put everything in fast forward. Alright, so this is what we have so far. I just wanted to show you first that these stickers, all of them are from, let's see here, Whimsical Cat. So the Whimsical Cat Studio, I think she has an Etsy, but I know she also has a Shopify, so a website. And so what I did was, this is going to be to-dos or events that I am going to write in prior to the day itself. This is going to be the to-do place. If you notice, as I was planning, I peeled up the notes pages over here, or the today script sticker over here, and then moved the notes over here, moved the to-do sticker over here, and then peeled it off, and it broke on me. So it yeah, I didn't want to get out of the page. It didn't want to be peeled off. I made it do it, and now I tore it to shreds, basically. So I have also events here, but here is just a dump of all the things that I wanted to do for this week. I don't think anything new is going to happen this week that I don't already know. I'm just waiting on one more thing, which is a paperwork from my school to come in, but I don't think anything else is going to happen. So Monday, I'm going to clean up or tidy up my office. A friend is going away to Thailand on this day. It's a bunch of them going to Thailand. I'm not going with. This is the goals section. I have a this week section over here. So this is my track section. And you already saw that. And then let me go ahead and show you up close if it will focus on us. There we go. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I love it. Now I'm extra excited to start the next week. So that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel. And also follow us on our social media. Our Instagram and our Facebook page is paperjoyph, and our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!